lost people's trust. Most banks are getting more people into debt. Most insurance companies, because of quota, agents are focused on selling. Investment companies, people think it's only for the wealthy. Investing is a scary topic as a lot of people fall into scams. In IMG, we're building a new financial industry through financial education in a massive scale, with offices all over the world: US, Hong Kong, Italy, Singapore, Taiwan, Dubai, and Philippines. We've been educating people globally about finance through increasing cash flow, debt management, understanding how money works, ensuring proper protection, creating emergency funds, and building long-term savings. We're offering people a life-changing career. Be an entrepreneur, no quota, focus on educating. We have an open system to solve consumers' dilemma on lack of understanding, planning, and support. So, are you the right person for the new industry? Sign up now.